welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be a really fun vlog. I am on the way to meet my best friends and with my boyfriend to the Florida Keys. We're going to Key West and they have like their own apartment there. They have jet skis, they have like a little boat. So I'm so excited. This is the first time that I ever go to the Keys and like spend a weekend there. So I'm really excited for that. It is Saturday, June 3rd. And today was an exciting day. I woke up and I did 2 glam clients. If you don't know, I do makeup. So I did 2 clients for a bridal shower today. They loved their makeup. They looked so good. I'm gonna insert some pictures here. But I did that in Brickell and then came back home, packed all my stuff for this weekend, and now we're on the way to Raising Cane's because we're starving. Come on this vlog with me to have the best weekend with my besties and my man. Good vibes. Let's go. What are we getting right now?
We're gonna get limes and a little bit of club soda.
For what?
We're gonna make margaritas.
Yay! Secured the bag.
Okay.
Look at this goodness. Love you.
And then he's like, yeah. The gram. Full. We're good. We're almost there. Adrian better have those jet skis out.
Period. We're here and we got the VIP treatment. Where am I supposed to sit?
Sit right. Sit on them.
Okay. Get your man like this, okay? He makes you hold no bags. All you gotta do is hold your little water. Good job, baby. So this is the crib. And let's check out the vibes. So pretty and calm. Okay. So this is really cute. Okay, literally like right in front of the water. Little patio. You good, babe? What? Say hi to the vlog. Everyone, this is Jaylene. If you don't know, now you know.
What up, guys? As far as you can.
And this is Priscilla.
As far back as you think you can possibly go.
What? Hell yeah! This is a cute
No,
little
pass.
kitchen. And this is a little room. A bartender making margaritas. Loading up the floaties.
Good drink.
No, it's perfect. No.
No, I like it.
It's good. Are you ready to jet ski? Let's go. Honestly, here, we work with what we have, okay? The boys are gonna kill us. But you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta get ready. You gotta take your pictures. You gotta look cute, okay? My camera died, so I'm using the iPhone. And I left the charger at home.
No.
We're in our maxi
Yo,
skirt.
if you caught that, how it's in my
dress
lipstick
era.
right now, that's a fucking crime.
I don't know if it did, but girl, it's okay. Bye, see you at dinner.
It's everybody. Patrick!
And this is the outfit of the day. We have this cherry bikini. Thanks, boo. And red, we're giving lifeguard. How beautiful of a morning view this is. Just kind of makes you just want to jump in there. But that's our jet ski. We're gonna go ride it later. And we're getting ready for breakfast. Sunday breakfast. I'm not gonna take the credit, so thanks, Pri. Yeah.
More video, go. Look at your hair, looks fucking incredible. I love you.
Love you.
Okay, guys, so they were lost at sea. The beer in her hand. How do you feel rescuing? You're rescued.
I feel blessed.
I no. Back at the crib, true story. Jaylene was lost at sea.
I was lost at sea.
And now she's back home.
She was found.
Now she's home, all in one piece. So now what are we gonna do?
Take shots, baby, to celebrate life.
Okay, let's go.
Blessed and highly favored.
Period.
Somebody rescued us
Dude.
right away.
But you're sunburned on your shoulders?
So there's no shot glasses,
Sunburn.
so we're doing the
Yeah,
shots
it's
in the
red.
cafecito cups because you work with what you have, okay? When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. You don't let them rot. You know what I mean? Does anybody want salt?
No.
No? Oh, she's lit. Period. You want lime for your shot?
We're doing shots.
Yeah.
Shot.
Okay.
The moment you know you're about to fuck up.
No, we good. We good.
What? I love how we're in cafecito cups.
You work with what you have, baby. Oh, you can't smell this shit. It smells so bad.
No, don't smell it.
Ready? Cheers to Keys 2023. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa adentro.
Alright.
We're so synchronized. See you at the beach. So, Pri, how do you feel right now?
Feel good, baby.
Great. Oh, this is what we have. We have 2 shots of tequila in here and 2 little cafecito cups
So I'm
and 2 limes so we can pull up to the beach and take the shots. Save the day. It is Sunday night and right before we head home, we're heading to dinner. So this is my outfit of the day. I have some sunglasses, a white pretty dress, and this is my clutch. This is the outfit of the day.
He's hungry.
Me too, I want some oysters. A restaurant and it sounds like it's gonna rain. So dinner is served. This is bacon wrapped shrimp. And this is pretzel buns with some cheese. The table.